Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of those close calls when reversing your vehicle? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best backup cameras on the market that will revolutionize the way you park. These high-quality cameras provide crystal clear images and advanced features that make reversing safer and more convenient than ever. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, we've got options that fit all needs and budgets. So, get ready to upgrade your driving experience. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices and details on each model. Let's dive in and find the perfect backup camera for you. Number 5. Ewy Wireless Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Backup Camera is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and convenience. With its impressive 100-foot wireless range, this camera is designed for use in larger vehicles, making it ideal for trucks, RVs, campers, trailers, and more. The 1080p HD image quality guarantees a crystal clear view at any time of day, thanks to its advanced infrared night vision capabilities that automatically activate in low-light situations. The camera's strong magnetic mount features 4 powerful magnets that provide an impressive 15 pounds of pull each, ensuring it stays securely in place on any flat metal surface, no matter the journey. Installation is incredibly straightforward. No complicated wiring is needed. Simply power the monitor using the included cigarette lighter and attach the camera where you need it. With the 2-channel 5-inch split-screen monitor, you can easily add a second camera to monitor blind spots or get a wider view of your surroundings, making it a versatile tool for any vehicle. Plus, it's built to withstand the elements, boasting an IP68P waterproof rating that protects against dust and can endure submersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The Ewy Wireless Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch Backup Camera is perfect for those seeking the best urban electric bike experience, offering unparalleled monitoring and safety features. Whether you're navigating tight spaces or towing heavy loads, this camera ensures you can drive with confidence. Number 4. Apda Magnetic Wireless Backup Camera ACT501 is a standout option for reliable vehicle monitoring, making it an ideal choice for the best urban electric bike category. Its 2-minute, truly wireless installation is a game changer with a strong magnetic base, allowing easy attachment to any metal surface without the hassle of wiring. The rubber wrap ensures your vehicle's paint remains intact when repositioning the camera, making it perfect for multiple vehicle uses. Powered by a massive 9,600 mAh rechargeable battery, this camera system boasts ultra-long battery life and runs entirely wire-free. You can conveniently charge it using a Type-C power cord or a standard 5V phone charger. The advanced signal chip ensures a stable digital signal up to 320 feet in open space, with effective vehicle transmission up to 40 feet, providing seamless safety on the road. Equipped with 1080p HD image quality and 16 infrared night vision LED lights, the Apda ACT501 delivers crystal clear visuals, even in low-light conditions. Its IP69K waterproof rating and adjustable 150 degrees viewing angle further enhance usability, allowing you to capture the perfect wide-angle shot, regardless of weather. The camera's low power consumption feature intelligently manages energy by activating sleep mode when not in use. Additionally, the system supports multiple channels and customizable parking lines, adding flexibility for urban navigation. With top-notch performance and a lifetime of customer support, this product offers peace of mind on the road. Number 3. Yakri RV Backup Camera Plug and Play offers a seamless driving experience with its 7-inch HD 1080p Rearview camera. This product stands out with its easy installation, taking just 8 minutes to set up. The system is powered by a single power source, eliminating the need for separate camera and monitor connections. Its wired design ensures stable signal transmission, providing reliability compared to wireless alternatives that can suffer from delays. Featuring a 150 degrees non-fisheye distortion camera and true IR night vision, it delivers crystal clear images even in low light conditions, perfect for urban driving, trailer navigation, or parking in narrow spots. The 7-inch IPS HD monitor includes an anti-glare sunshade, improving visibility in bright sunlight while offering wider viewing angles for consistent image clarity. A unique feature is its real neck saver with parking guidelines and image flip, making reversing easy without straining your neck. The Yakri camera also supports an additional backup camera for added flexibility and durability, featuring a rugged cable with a dual-layer shielding structure for long-lasting performance. Ideal for trucks, trailers, RVs, or even tractors, this camera system offers peace of mind with its 3-year technical support and quality warranty. Yakri RV Backup Camera Plug and Play is the ultimate solution for drivers seeking reliability, enhanced safety, and a user-friendly experience, making it perfect for urban electric bike enthusiasts who demand precision and ease in navigating busy city streets. Number 2. Ewy presents the ultimate solution for hassle-free hitching with its Wi-Fi magnetic hitch wireless backup camera. Designed specifically for gooseneck trailers, horse trailers, boats, RVs, and fifth wheels, this backup camera features a robust magnetic mount, equipped with 4 powerful magnets that can hold up to 15 pounds each. This ensures a secure attachment on any flat metal surface, making installation a breeze without the need for complicated wiring. The camera is powered by a rechargeable battery and connects seamlessly via Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily monitor your surroundings from your iPhone or Android device through the dedicated RV Camera app. Experience enhanced visibility with the Ewy camera's high-sensitivity CMOS image sensor and 9 automatic infrared night vision lights, providing a clear view even in low-light conditions, up to 30 feet away. Rated IP68, it is fully dust-proof and can withstand submersion in water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters. This reliability makes it an ideal choice for outdoor adventures. Operating on a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal, it's perfect for vehicles under 35 feet, whether you're backing up your truck, camper, or travel trailer. However, it's important to note that it is not compatible with Google Pixel, Kyocera, or Motorola phones. Elevate your towing experience and ensure safety with the best backup camera on the market. Number 1. Leulu Backup Camera. The LK3 model redefines convenience with its effortless plug-and-play setup, allowing installation in just 15 minutes. Simply connect the camera to the monitor using the 4-pin video power cable included, and power it via your car's cigarette lighter or USB port. This camera excels in signal transmission, minimizing energy loss to provide HD 1080p color images without any delay, interference, or fluctuation. Designed to brave the elements, the LK3 features an IP69 rated waterproof housing, ensuring reliable performance even in extreme temperatures, from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. With advanced optical anti-shaking technology and a SC1346 color image sensor chip, you'll experience crystal clear visuals, free from the jitters common on bumpy roads. The built-in white LEDs automatically switch to night vision mode, guaranteeing safe navigation in low-light conditions. The compact 4.3-inch LCD display is user-friendly and unobtrusive, easily mounted with a 360 degrees rotating suction cup bracket that stays secure, even in direct sunlight. The LK3 also offers customizable features, such as adjustable parking grid lines and image settings for brightness and contrast, ensuring a tailored reversing experience. Its universal compatibility makes it ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, and more, effectively eliminating blind spots for safer driving. With a commitment to quality, Leulu provides a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind for every customer. Elevate your driving experience with the LK3, truly one of the best backup cameras available. In conclusion, a high-quality backup camera is essential for enhancing safety and convenience while driving. With options ranging from wireless systems to those integrated with your vehicle's infotainment, there's a perfect fit for every need. As we've explored, the best backup cameras offer clear images, wide viewing angles, and user-friendly interfaces, making reversing and parking much easier. Investing in one of these systems not only protects you but also provides peace of mind on the road. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more informative videos.